To process a payment in DCDial, click Process Payment from the dashboard or the Quick Actions menu. Pick your contact right from the list, or add a new one. You can also click Show Page Contacts to pull from the current web page, or use the search function to locate the contact. Next, choose a payment method, either a saved method or add a new one. You can now choose to process a one-time payment or set up a payment schedule. For a one-time payment, enter the amount to charge immediately. If available, you can toggle Apply Convenience Fee to include a processing charge. Let's try Schedule Payment option. To schedule a custom plan, enter the start date, number of transactions, and how often payments occur. Then choose how installment amounts will be calculated. Fixed, all scheduled payments will have the same specified amount. Auto. The total balance is divided evenly across all payments. Custom. You manually define an amount for each transaction. Let's choose Fixed. Click Preview to review the details. Then confirm to finalize. Track all payment activity in the Payments tab, where you can also take actions on individual payments or custom plans. It's your central hub for managing every financial transaction. That's it for this demo. See you in the next video.